So we are in the city of Anaheim right now. We are installing the GAF solar shingle. We have done most of the prep here. We already put our waterproofing in the valleys. That's super important. We always put what we call, I guess in the industry, a peel and stick. Basically, you put a whole strip of this ice and water. It's called also ice and water shield. It's sticky. It's really, really hard to take off once you put it on the deck because obviously that sun heats it up and then it adheres it really, really well. But most of our details are done. So waterproofing, ice and water shield in the valleys. They also go around our penetrations. So our penetrations are pipes. Those pipes are usually breathers, which are pipes for your plumbing. And they're also going to be for your heating and cooling pipes. And then they're also going to be for, what else do we see up here? Probably a attic fan, not an attic fan, but what do you call it? A fan for the kitchen, and then sometimes a fan for the bathroom. So those all get the same type of waterproofing detail around that flashing. Those flashings look like this, and then you put that ice and water shield around, just another extra protective layer. I don't know if all roofers do it. I know some roofers do it, but for our warranty purposes, up to specs, we like to make sure that any penetrations, they're super watertight because that's where you're going to see most of your leaks come from, penetrations, things that are cut into the roof in order to give pipes or some kind of venting access. Like up here, we have a couple of different pipes. We have a water heater pipe, we have a breather pipe, and I'm guessing this is another kind of HVAC pipe. These we always get a lot of questions about. These are called breathers. They're for your plumbing. So basically, they just run all the way up, and you know they maintain open. Even when it's raining, water will kind of just obviously get into these pipes, but it's plumbing. It's natural. You see it on all roofs.